Most people think they're prepared, until something small goes wrong. Not a disaster, not some extreme situation, just something simple. The power goes out, water stops running, shops close early, and suddenly, all the things you assumed would always be there aren't. That's when people realize something uncomfortable. They don't have a lack of food. They have a lack of function. Because having supplies isn't the same as being ready to use them. You can have a full pantry, and still struggle. Because you're missing the things that make everything work. Today, we're going through 12 essential items most people overlook, until the moment they actually need them. And number 5 is where things usually start to fall apart for people, even if they think they're prepared. Let's start with something people don't think about enough. A backup power source. Most homes rely on electricity for almost everything. Phones, lighting, communication, even basic appliances, and when that disappears, you feel it immediately. A simple power bank already helps. But something like a larger backup battery or solar option, that gives you time to charge devices, time to stay connected, time to think clearly instead of reacting, and that's the real value, not convenience, time. Next is something even more basic. Light. But not just any light. A reliable light source. Most people grab a torch and think that's enough, but here's the problem. You need your hands. That's why a headlamp is better. It frees you to move, carry, cook, or fix things, without struggling to hold a light at the same time, and once you use one, you realize how much easier everything becomes. Now here's where things start to catch people off guard. A manual can opener. This sounds obvious, until it isn't, because a lot of kitchens rely on electric openers now, or people assume they'll figure it out. But when you actually try to open multiple cans without the right tool, it becomes frustrating fast, and if your food is sealed, you need a way to access it easily. This is one of those items that feels small, until it suddenly isn't. Now let's talk about something more important. Water, not storage. Filtration. Because having water stored is one thing, but being able to make water usable, that's what really matters long term. A simple portable filter or purification tablets can turn unsafe water into something usable. And that changes everything. Because food can stretch, water can't. Now this is where most people start to struggle. Cooking, specifically. Having a way to cook without your usual setup, a portable cooking method, something simple, a small gas stove, camping burner, even a basic setup, because cold food works for a while, but not forever. And warm meals do more than just feed you. They improve morale, they make everything feel more manageable, and that's something people underestimate. Now, number 6. Fuel. This is where people often make a mistake. They have the cooking setup, but not enough fuel to use it, or they forget that fuel is needed for more than one thing. Cooking, heating, even boiling water. Without fuel, your tools don't matter. So, it's not just about having it, it's about having enough of it. Next is something simple. But, it's really easy to overlook. Batteries. AA, AAA. Whatever your devices use. Because, honestly, a torch without batteries is just an object. A radio without power does nothing at all. And, yeah, most people only realize this after they've already run out. The key here isn't just having them but actually storing them properly and, well, having extras on hand. Now let's make it even simpler. Fire, lighters, matches, and, not just one, multiple. Stored in different places, because starting a flame is one of the most basic functions, but also, it's one of the easiest to overlook, especially when you're just used to pressing a button. Now let's shift slightly. First aid. But not just a basic kit with a few plasters, you want a proper simple setup, bandages, disinfectant, basic medication, because, small injuries don't stop happening just because things are inconvenient, and handling them early really prevents bigger problems later. Now, this is something people often laugh about, until, well, they really don't. Toilet paper, and basic hygiene items. This is honestly one of the fastest things to run out, and let's be real, one of the most uncomfortable things to be without. It's not dramatic, but it affects daily life immediately, and that's exactly why it matters. Now here's something people seriously underestimate. Salt. And just basic seasoning. Because food without flavor, it gets tiring fast. And once food becomes something you don't enjoy, you eat less. Your energy drops, your mood drops, everything just feels harder. Salt fixes that. It enhances, balances, makes simple food feel complete, and it lasts. Finally, here's something people don't really expect. Simple comfort food, not luxury, not snacks, just something easy. Peanut butter, crackers, something ready to eat, because not every moment is about efficiency. Sometimes, you just need something simple, something familiar, something that doesn't require effort, and honestly, that makes a bigger difference than people realize. So, what's the real takeaway here? It's not about extreme preparation, it's about covering the basics properly, because once you have light, water, food access, energy, hygiene, everything else just becomes easier, and without these, even a full pantry doesn't help as much as you think.